worked something out useful for people working with the Metatrader and using these reports. If you work with the Metatrader, you should know you have your custom reports. You can define here your custom period, and then you can right click, create your custom report. Oops, what was the wrong one? Sorry. Report, and you get two different formats. If you choose HTML, you get a report looking like this. It's nice, it's useful. You get, I take care not to show my information above, so here you get the positions and your gain, your loss, your losses and the orders and all the trades, all the deals, and a nice summary at the bottom and a graphic. It's great, it's useful, I like it, but you don't have a column here with the points. The trading performance is measured in points and not in currency. And what I do miss is here a feature to add a column, show me just the points. If I trade, I'm not interested in the currency, just in the points I make or I lose. And I asked in the forum and the MT5 support, it's not possible, it's not supported. And this is why I coded this in Python. I use the official documentation. It's here. I put the link, all links I show you, I put below in the description of the video. It's a function here to get the history deals, and you get an example here. I used this mostly, didn't change too much, and you see they work here with the data frames as well. And I just copied that, pasted this into my what I'm using here, the code editor actually, and I define my time frame period I want to receive the deal from. Let's first take from yesterday, from Friday. You always have to define the next day as well, otherwise you don't receive the data. How you connect to the Metatrader from Python, I made another video about this, so I don't talk about this here in this video, just about the report and how to customize it. And here you see gets all the deals from, and everything not from euro, so I don't trade any currency pair, I'm just trading the DAX and the Nasdaq actually. So this way I receive all the deals I made, and then they are shown in the data frame, and all I do is after that I run through the data frame made by this official code from the example from the MT5 page, and I filter out, I loop through this one, and I filter out the data I'm interested in. It's just time symbol, volume, price, profit, and points. And after this, I'm just adding two columns here with the cumulative profit and the cumulative points. That's all I do. Let's run the code to see how it looks like. I put it away. The screen is just too small, and who cares anyway. It's just about data we're working with. Scroll up to the top. This way it looks like you get the deals. from your broker, and then the data frame, the first data frame looks like this. Below. Now this is the data frame here from the MQL5 side with the raw data. I miss a header, by the way. They don't define any header. However, I just filter out the data I want from this I get from the first data frame, and this is my data frame. And you see we got the profit and the points. The points I'm interested in. This is why I'm doing this all. And I get per deal. We have here always two lines because these are not the positions, not the trades, these are the deals. And we have always one line with 0, 0, no profit, no points. This is when the position is being opened. So this is sell in or the buy in. And then we have the second line with our profit or loss and our points. And we see here the profit and points per trade. And after this, I just add to the same data frame, I add my two columns with the cumulated profit and the cumulative points. And this is what I'm interested in. And you see on Friday, yesterday, I did 123 points profit. Was great. It's brilliant. In my opinion, I trade a small size, mostly just, this means for me 10 cents per point. My strategy is sometimes I buy some more, sell some more. And this is why this is not the tenfold here. Given you trade this with tenfold size or with 10 lot, this will be just 1,230 euro just for yesterday. We can run this for the whole past week to see how I performed the whole week. Just change the date. What was the Monday? Monday was the 24th. Let's change this to the 24th and run the code again. Then we get the data, the deals from the whole week, and the profit and the points from the whole week. So much scrolling here. The video, I always use a small laptop. Usually I work on a 4K screen, so it's very difficult here for the video. You see here we start from Monday. We start with 0 points and they are being accumulated per trade. And the whole week I did 252 points. My goal is at least to trade this with 10 lot. So for me mentally this is 2,500 euro. What's not too bad. So I use all this Pi analytic stuffs. What I analyze the data, I use this for my day trading. The stats, the statistics, it's very useful. And if you're interested in, my account is online here at MQL5. Put the link below as well. You just need this, and if you have an MQL5 account, you should get in there. And this is my account, it's being tracked. It's in loss actually because I had a bad start. I had to learn something. That's trading. But interesting is here, 2 weeks ago I was at 360 and in 2 weeks I made it up to 446. I like it. If you're interested in, you can check this out. Otherwise, I will come back with another video if I got something interesting. Alright, hope this helps you to customize your MT5 reports. Have a good time. See you, bye.